Yo. Alright guys, thanks everybody for participating. It's the video for the ASM 16. That guy. Alright. Bottom here. Type live. Alright. Time 5:06 p.m. Over here. 5:06. 5:06. Over here, get the list. Alright, 35 names. Copy. Over here, do a new giveaway. Alright, ASM 16 CCS 5.0 names. Alright, we'll start here, we'll go down. $35. Alright. Alright, gonna roll 3 dice. And we're gonna go 6 times. 4, 5, 6. Okay. Here we go. 1. Yes. 1. Here. See our weird timestamp. 5:07, 5:07. Back to the top. 2, 3, 4, 5. This one's for the winner. Congratulations to number 13. Colin. Congratulations. Alright, look at that. One spotter. I don't see him win too often, but he always participates. Alright. Get the code. Copy. Back over here. Congratulations, Colin. Timestamps. 5:08, 5:08. Congratulations, spot 13. Colin is the winner. And go back over here to our timestamp. 5:08. 5:08. Over here and type in done. Thank you, everybody. I appreciate you participating. Colin, shoot me a PM. And we're done.